$10 billion company now helps Shiba Inu Coin to reach $1. AMC leak, SHIB explained. Champion, the US-based sportswear brand, received requests to launch a Shiba Inu-themed collection of t-shirts and hoodies early this year. A Twitter user named SHIBhead was the first to come up with the Champion clothing and SHIB collaboration idea. Today we're going to talk all about Shiba Inu Coin's new collaborations. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the SHIB news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more SHIB news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 5th of October, shall we? Shiba Inu price action is at risk of falling into negative territory as an early fade gets underway, with profit taking after the positive close on Monday. With equities in the green and major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum making gains, a clear sign on the wall is that investors are only in SHIB price action for the very short term. The messages overnight of another rocket launch from North Korea towards Japan has triggered some small profit taking and could see follow-through into the US session, with the risk of a broader fade and new lows for the week. SHIB price could be setting the scene for some divergence, as investors and traders were only in SHIB price action for the very short term and started to sell their profit from Monday's rally. Expect price action at max trade near 1,150 hundred millionths of a dollar and look for the low end at 1,078 hundred millionths of a dollar. Should that last level, the low of Sunday, give way, expect a drop towards 10 millionths of a dollar as the fade broadens and turns into a sell-off. Should equities break out of a bear market territory and rally back towards significantly higher levels, that would create a massive tailwind for cryptocurrencies as a whole. In such a scenario, expect to see SHIB price action benefit from an inflow of investors, with demand-side volume exploding and SHIB price nearing 1,209 hundred millionths of a dollar. A break above might even see a price reach 1,350 hundred millionths of a dollar, near the monthly R1, printing roughly 20% of gains in the process. Now let's get back to the topic. After the legendary phrase "Hey Robinhood" when SHIB came to an end post-Robinhood listing, the Champion and SHIB collaboration gained steam. However, the idea slowly fizzled out as the Champion clothing line did not respond to calls for partnerships. However, things changed for the first time on Tuesday after snack brand Slim Jim tweeted asking their followers to tag brands and see if the brands would reply. A Shiba Inu investor who was also previously vocal about the Champion-SHIB collaboration tagged Champion USA. For the first time in 9 months, Champion USA sportswear brand replied, "Does this count as a collaboration?" The user then thanked Champion Sportswear for the reply. "Hi Champion USA, how's it going? Thank you for responding." Nonetheless, the tweet reply from Champion might be seen as a joke, as the brand might have wanted to play sport. There's no official word if Champion Sportwear or Hanes brand will collaborate with Shiba Inu token. Shiba Inu Champion and Red Bull collaboration. Rumors were doing the rounds in May that Shiba Inu could collaborate with energy drink brand Red Bull. However, the collaboration didn't get through and no international brand has partnered with SHIB. Another good news is that Shiba Inu and John Richmond kick off Milan Fashion Week 2022. Shiba Inu has had a host of collaborations this year. One of the most anticipated is the one with renowned fashion designer John Richmond. The two are all set to take over the Milan Fashion Week 2022, which has already begun rolling out the carpets and setting up the runways. To kick off the big event, the Shiba Inu and John Richmond family invited everyone to a party held on the evening of the 21st of September. Richmond took to Twitter to invite the SHIB army and his fans. Not much was known about what went on at the party until today, when Richmond shared a video clip of the evening. Well, let us just say the SHIB army sure seems to have had a blast. Moreover, in the video, the Shiba Inu logo can be seen playing on the screens at the venue. However, the lighting does make it difficult to see the logo clearly in the video. What can Shiba Inu fans expect from the Milan Fashion Week? As per initial reports, the collaboration would see the creation of some NFTs, non-fungible tokens. The physical version of the NFTs will be displayed at the Milan Fashion Week 2022. The SHIB x John Richmond collection is called Legends Never Die. Additionally, the collection seems to feature styles inspired by punk rock, grunge, urban streetwear, and a touch of sci-fi. Nonetheless, there's no confirmation as of now on when the show would take place. However, some have speculated that the final show would take place on the 29th of September. Furthermore, people close to the matter spoke with Watcher.guru earlier this year. They said that Shiba Inu might be in touch with well-known supermodels to support the event. Additionally, the source, who chose to remain anonymous, said that the models have a global fan base. If this turns out to be true, it would skyrocket SHIB's popularity. Moreover, Richmond recently shared a sneak peek at their exclusive event. The tweet features an animated video, most likely for a metaverse experience. If we talk about SHIB Prediction 2025, before watching further, we must understand that market predictions of different analysts widely vary. A good number of times, these predictions will prove to be wrong, as analysts cannot always foresee events such as political or environmental crises. It is wise that an investor conducts their own research before investing in a cryptocurrency, especially in something as volatile as SHIB. For instance, a Changelly blog post claimed that after studying SHIB prices and market fluctuations, experts predict that SHIB could go as high as 5,048 hundred millionths of a dollar and as low as 4,183 hundred millionths of a dollar. Its potential ROI for said year is predicted to be 322%, with its average price remaining 4,335 hundred millionths of a dollar. Telegon concurred, finding that according to some crypto experts, Shiba Inu Coin's price can hit a new all-time high in 2025. On the contrary, even though they expect enough tokens being burnt this year, they're not so hopeful about its price rise in 2022. They predict the maximum and minimum prices of SHIB to be 1,928 and 9,839 hundred millionths of a dollar respectively. Its average price was predicted to be around 1,152 hundred millionths of a dollar. The aforementioned Changelly blog post also mentioned that in 2030, SHIB will be traded at an average price of 30,921 hundred millionths of a dollar. Its maximum and minimum prices will be 35,649 hundred millionths of a dollar and 29,857 hundred millionths of a dollar respectively. The potential ROI for SHIB in 2030 is predicted to be 2,878%. Now, there's good reason to believe why SHIB's price might hike on the charts. For instance, according to many, if users burn enough tokens, a cryptocurrency's acceptance is bound to increase. That being said, the meme coin must cultivate a host of different use cases too. And not everyone agrees with whatever utility meme coins like Doge and SHIB might have either. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, for instance, believes that this asset class isn't good for the market at large. In fact, it has often been speculated that these assets are part of a bubble. Back in April, Finder surveyed a panel of 26 experts who predicted a rather gloomy picture for the future of Shiba Inu Coin. They predicted that the average price of SHIB in 2030 will be as low as 325 billionths of a dollar. Speaking for a majority of the panelists, Dimitrios Salampoulos claimed, "I am of the opinion that all these joke-type coins will disappear and leave space for actual innovation and crypto assets that can serve proper use cases." That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!